Hey y'all, Ryan here. Yeah, I forgot where I ended up. I kind of got stuck on going to FEG. So let's see here. All right, so this is the pre-sale right here. One sec. You can scroll through. You can see all the coins that are in the pre-sale right now. Here's Maximus right here. So we're making a little progress. Trying to get up to 6.33, and then we'll go from there. But we're getting a little bit here and there. But yeah, look at all these coins. Look at all these tokens that are coming in. Smart tokens. This is all on BNB. There's almost 100 of them. Well, yeah, completed. Probably about 60 or 70. Yeah, just on that side. So, there you go. Here we're gonna go to. I'm gonna go to FEG token. All right. So now we're on the up here in the right hand corner. We're in the BSC chain. Sorry, this is my dog down here. It's Hunter. I don't know, he's got a little itch. Just one sec. Come here, buddy. Oh, check him out. Check this guy out. Oh, this is my guy. This is my guy. Yep. All right. You go lay down, bud. All right. Anyway, so yeah, BSC chain. You can switch through the chains. So FEG right now is on 3 chains: Ethereum, BNB, and Base. And here's the test net. That comes right up. Come on now. So you get on there, and you can. It's the same exact system, and you'll be able to. Hold up one sec. What are you doing? Really? I got another dog. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I was saying, you can just test the system. Like if you're going to launch a token on here, which you can do, and that's kind of what this whole thing is a place where you can launch. Just one second. She lost her ball or something. Okay, you guys got to go, man. Come on now. Come on. You got to go. Come here. Come on back. Get out of here. Go. Get over here now. Go. Thank you. Excuse me. All right. So back to it. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. All right. They're getting restless. Anyway, yeah. So there's your chains, and then you can go on here and yeah, just test the whole system out. Alrighty. God damn it. You little fucking assholes. Alright. Hopefully I got the dogs calmed down. Let's see here. Yeah, so let's start off with staking, if you're with me here. This system's only been up for like 5 days or 6 days now. So, you can see, you can see what's staked. I don't really care about all that. 13 rewards. So let's see here. All right, so I've already got 13 tokens that I'm earning rewards for, and obviously, I have 10 million stakes. So when FEGs first started, they had a a much larger circulating supply. All right, so when I got in early, I think I bought $1,000 worth and got like 16 trillion, right? And then there were a lot of rewards, so that went up to like 18 without buying anything. And that's what FEG's been all about the whole time, is earning a lot of FEG and earning a lot of rewards here. So anyway, so I ended up with this after they transferred the the supply to a lower level, a lower amount, and so you got to reduce it by six zeros. But yeah, so you can see how that kind of is working out right there. So but I started out in ETH. ETH is a strong token. It's going to do great things. It just the expenses. I mean, the prices to start a token on there, to open one right now would be like $1,000, or I saw it for like $800 the other day. But that's just to open the token. If you're on BNB, I think it costs $20 and then $40 for the I don't know. It was like $60 to $80, and then and then a few little other contract fees, but nothing major. I don't think it was too much more than $100. But I added staking early, so I don't know if you can stake right away. You might be able to. It looks, yeah. So I'd have to go. I'll go into Maximus token and I'll show you kind of how that goes. But I don't know how. Here, let's do that. Okay, so if you go to the token, it just goes straight away to your token. When you first come into FEG, you can just go launch SD, and you can straight away launch your token, and you can put all your transaction taxes over here, your buy and sell tax, your burn, your liquidity, your growth, staking, reflections, protocol. So now for Maximus token, we have, and it holds it for you, so it knows if you go over to another chain and start it on another chain or put it on another blockchain, it's got it all right here for you. So you don't have to do all this stuff again. All right. I know I'm probably not looking at the camera. I'm just kind of trying to figure out this stuff for you. But so it's 100 million supply. Buy tax is 4.2%, and it covers this stuff, right? So a pretty decent burn on it, 0.3. I can probably bump that up. I can readjust these after the pre-sale. So as a community, we can figure out what's going to be best for the token too. But I think these are pretty solid. Liquidity, it has a good tax on liquidity. Growth is for the growth fund for the rehoming project that we're doing. And yeah, we're hoping to get a lot of dogs put into homes, especially around the United States, starting out, and then hopefully much more. But if we this first year, if we could get 100 dogs or even 50 rehomed or into new homes, yeah, we'd be pretty psyched about that. And you guys can help with that. I mean, but you're kind of getting the reward or the benefits. If you get in here and you stake, and since we're already in a bull run, in 2 months or so, I would say we're going to be in good shape. But I think I can adjust this tax on transfers after. So it's not I don't care about having that on. It was just I think it was on already. But that won't be a thing. So it'll just be on buys and sells. All right. So anyway, that's Maximus token. That's the Launchpad. And then once you get it launched, you go ahead and it tells you you can add some details. You can add your logo. We just have this up there for now. I think we'll switch it out later. We're not going to keep messing with it, but sorry. We have yeah. So details. Let's see here. You add your details. I think it's like some of your websites and some of your Twitter, your Instagram, anything you want to put in there. There's a way to edit it over here, I think, right here. Let's see here. This is token info. Yeah, we'll get there here in a second. But anyway, you can do your LGE, your liquidity generating event. So it's basically a tokenless pre-sale. Don't ask me, the technology behind it is crazy. That's why this is one of the best projects out there, and I think you guys are going to dig this a lot. So basically, you can launch your own token for about $100 or $150, you know. And over time, you're going to add some more of this other stuff. You're going to deploy a swap because you're going to want to be on PancakeSwap or Uniswap if you're on Ethereum or Base. Base is really inexpensive. BNB is really inexpensive as far as fees go for transactions. Like I said, I'd be happy to go through any of this with any of you guys individually. If you have any questions, just put them below, and yeah, we'll come back to it. But we'll go through this kind of as it goes. I mean, like I said, our staking's already deployed. So if you go into the pre-sale, back over here, you got a token, you got the pre-sale. All right, you go back over here, look for Maximus token, right? Or there's a search, I think, and then you can open the LGE. It's the liquidity, it's the pre-sale. And basically, if you have BNB in your wallet up here in MetaMask, you can go ahead and put, you can buy so much of this. I'm the owner, so it won't let me do that, and it won't show my BNB. But when yours pops up, you can go ahead and choose 20% or 50% or whatever. And yeah, so anyway, and then you can see everything over here, kind of where it's at, the numbers, all that stuff. Yeah, and how long it's left in the pre-sale. Yeah. And I think you have a certain amount of time to withdraw from pre-sale if you want to. That's something you can do as well. But like I said, look into FEG, look into this platform, and I'll be going over it quite a bit. You know, I'm gonna go over it. There's a lot more details than this, and things that you can do. I mean, that's pretty much the gist of what you might want to do if you're going to launch a token and everything. I would suggest going on the testnet and just playing with some of the tokenomics first. I did that a little bit. I didn't do it maybe quite as much as I should have, but you know, it's stuff you can adjust later too. It's nothing that's affecting anything right this moment. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let me know what you think of a FEG token. Let me know if you learned anything from this, and I'll be up with another one soon. All right, you guys have a good day.